Hey traders, in today's video we're taking a closer look at some of the leading prop firms to help you choose wisely. We'll be doing an in-depth comparison of funding pips and WeFund. If you're searching for your next trading challenge, stay tuned. We'll cover the advantages, disadvantages, and the main differences between these two firms. They both 100% give you your payout as long as you follow their rules. Funding pips is non-HFT and WeFund focus on one-step HFT and non-HFT challenge as well, and both offer traders a scaling plan, allowing you to grow your account as you prove your skills. Next up, let's talk about funding programs. Funding Pips offers 3 evaluation programs. 0 means direct funded, 1-step and 2-step evaluation, giving you flexible options depending on your trading style. WeFund also provides flexibility with 2 funding programs, 1-step HFT and 2-step evaluations, but no 3-step option. Here is the problem with funding. Pips, you have to pass the challenge, which takes weeks to moth, and if you fail, it is gone. But with WeFund, it takes 5 minutes for me to pass the challenge for you. And the best part, I pass it for free by using my coupon code ALFTRADE25, and you will start trading with real account. Now let's dive into the 2-step evaluation, where things start to get interesting. In Phase 2, both firms require an 8% profit target, and in Phase 2, both require 5%. When it comes to daily loss limits, they both have 5%. Additionally, both allows a 10% maximum overall loss. Now let's dive into the funding pips, 0 challenge and WeFund 1-step challenge. WeFund allows you to pass the challenge with HFT BOT and passing. The challenge is quarantined, and funding pips, 0 challenge is direct funding, but the rules are very hard to reach payout. Let's talk account sizes and costs, which are crucial when deciding where to invest your time and effort. Funding pips 0 account sizes ranging from $5,000 to $200,000. And WeFund 1-step account sizes ranging from $10,000 to $200,000. However, pricing differs slightly. For example, a $10,000 account with funding pips costs $99, while with WeFund's 1-step HFT, it's $110 if you use ALFT RADE 25 after the discount. Larger accounts are also competitively priced. A $100,000 account is $499 with funding pips and $410 with WeFund after the discount. When it comes to daily loss limits, funding pips have 3% daily loss, while WeFund has 4%. Additionally, funding pips allows a 5% maximum overall loss, while WeFund has 8% maximum overall. So overall, WeFund give you more than 4% extra. Funding pips has 7 minimum trading day, and WeFund has only 5 minimum trading days. Funding pips give you 1 to 50 leverage, and WeFund gives you 1 to 100. Funding pips, you can trade up to $300,000, and WeFund, you can trade up to $400,000 in funding. Both firms support a variety of trading platforms. Funding pips uses MatchTrader, CTrader, and TradeLocker, while WeFund supports MetaTrader 5. Only both provide access to Tier 1 liquidity providers, ensuring traders get top-tier market conditions. When it comes to trading instruments, both funding pips and WeFund give access to a wide range of forex pairs, commodities, indices, and even cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, both funding pips and WeFund are strong contenders in the prop firm space. It ultimately depends on what you're looking for as a trader. Whichever path you choose, both firms deliver competitive conditions and excellent support for traders. Free passing offer on WeFund. Here's the kicker. When you buy with my coupon code ALFTRADE25 for 25%, I'll personally pass your challenge in less than 5 minutes, 100% free. Just send me your MT5 login after purchase. My Telegram is linked in the description. But don't wait, secure your account today. DM me on Telegram and let's get you funded. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this comparison helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more detailed prop firm reviews. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a prop firm you'd like us to review next. See you in the next video.